Hey Crafty hackers! Today is a very special video because we are making miniature food. Doesn't it look delicious? First, we are going to make some mini pizzas. So good. First, you're going to need one piece of bread and one small circular item to cut out your small pizzas. Once you've cut them out, you can now flatten them with any bottle. Make sure that they're very flat. Now, with any wooden stick, you can spread the ketchup as your sauce. And with a straw, you can cut out small pieces of pepperoni. The sizes are perfect. Now you can add your small pieces onto your pizza and grate some cheese. Now that you added your cheese, all you need is a small pan. Put it in the oven, and here you go! It looks so good! Put it in a small homemade pizza box, and there you have it. Now it's time for mini burgers. Delicious. With a straw, take out 2 small pieces of bread like this. And to create the meat, you can cut out a small piece of sausage with your straw. Cut it into small pieces and you have your meat. Now you can cut up a small piece of cheese, small piece of lettuce, and spread your sauce. With chopsticks, you can add every single piece one by one. Be careful! There you go, your first mini burger. You can even make as many as you want. Let's make some mini pogos. All you need is to take out a small piece of sausage with your straw. Cut a square piece of bread and flatten it with a bottle. Lay your sausage onto your bread and roll it up. Close one end and cut the excess. Now insert the stick. Place the pogos onto the pan and heat it up. "10 minutes should be enough." There you have it, beautiful mini pogos. Add some sauce onto the side, and they're ready to be eaten. Let's make some mini chips. Spray some water onto your laid chip. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. and cut many pieces with a straw, just like this. Add your favorite seasoning and put it in the oven. Two minutes should be enough in high heat. Your mini chips are ready. Now it's time for mini French fries. Cut your potato in half and slice two very thin pieces. Once that's done, you can cut up small, long pieces like this. Now you can cut them in half, and it really does not need to be perfect. Add some oil, put your fries on the pan, and you can add a little bit more oil, your favorite seasoning, and it's time for the oven. 5 minutes should be good. You want them to be brown and crispy. Add them into your homemade French fry package, and they're ready to eat. Look at that, it looks so good. Now let's do some mini banana chips. Cut up 2 pieces of bananas. And cut up little pieces with the straws like this. You need to be meticulous for this one. With chopsticks, add your bananas onto the baking paper on the pan and put them in the oven. "10 minutes should be good for this one. They're perfect. Who wants some big nachos? Place 3 tortillas on top of one another and cut them in a triangle. You're going to need a bowl with peanut oil. You're going to add your favorite seasoning and some hot sauce. Mix it up together and let it sit. Dip your first piece into your homemade sauce and put it on a foil. Repeat that 2 other times. Now place it in the oven until it gets crispy. Once ready, you can place them onto a paper towel for it to absorb all the oil. And there you go, they're ready to be eaten. Another way to make big chips is to add in a big bowl instant mashed potato mix, and hot water. Mix it up together and place it on a baking paper. put a little bit too much, so just be careful. Add a little bit of flour and flatten it with the plates. Now with the knife, place it back onto the baking paper and put it in the oven. 10 minutes should be good. There you go! A homemade Lay's. I mean, regular chips are good, but my homemade big chip is way better. Last one, big chocolate bar. Place one layer of waffle sticks right next to each other and make another layer with a little less. On a pan, you can add chocolate chips and add some hot water. Make it boil and add it onto your waffle sticks. Like this. It looks delicious, so much chocolate. Make sure to define the lines on your top layers and put it in the freezer. Let it freeze for about 4 hours. I can tell you it's really good. Hey Crafty hackers, if you liked our video, press the like button and subscribe below. See you next time!